It's time to get a little bit creative in this jam on toast recipe. I have my xylophone here ready to go for some improvisation activities that you can play along with my song All the Leaves Are Turning from the album Jam on Toast Slice number 3. Grab an instrument. I'm using a xylophone, but you could play any instrument at all, and I'll show you what to play. So let's jam.
Jam on Toast.
Now in my song All the Leaves Are Turning, you might have noticed that there are some amazing improvised solos played by the piano as well as the trumpet. Now these usually happen in between the choruses and the verses in what we call an instrumental section. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can play an improvised phrase to go with the song. Now I have set up my xylophone with what's called a pentatonic scale, pent meaning 5. So I've got 5 notes ready to go. Now I'm in E minor, and so I'm going to be playing the E minor pentatonic scale. And the notes used in that are E, up to G, A, B, and D, and then back to E. Now to begin with, I love to start improvisation with just playing on one note. That way you can get a sense of the rhythm, and you can get a sense of playing in a phrase where it's got a start and a stop. Rather than just keeping on playing lots of notes that doesn't make any sense. It would be like talking like this without any full stops or commas, and you just keep talking like this and there's no break, there's no stop. Sometimes in music we need to do the idea of a sentence with a full stop or a comma. Take a breath and start the phrase again. So keep that in mind when you're playing improvised phrases. To begin with, I'm going to play just a couple of phrases on the note B. Have a listen where I start and stop and take a breath. And remember, I said to play with those swung jazz rhythms like the do-va-da, do-va-da, do-va-da-da. Now I've done it on one note. You might like to then gradually add in more notes to your improvisation scale. So this time I'm going to play B, D, and E. Let's try that, playing around on those 3 notes, again with those jazz rhythms. Now I'm going to play all the notes of the E minor pentatonic scale. But I want you to keep in mind that E is our home note. That is the note that I kind of want to make sure that I come back to and maybe even start phrases from. And that gives us a sense of starting at home, going for a walk, and then coming back to our home and finishing back on E. So I'm going to start on E. I might go higher and then come back down in the next phrase. Have a listen. There's 2 really nice phrases that have shape to it. It has a start and a stop as well. Have a go and play around on those notes. And in a moment, we're going to play along with the music. Let's jam. Colors falling down. Sing red, sing orange, sing gold. All the leaves are turning, all the leaves are turning, all the leaves are turning for you and me. All the leaves are turning, all the leaves are turning, all the leaves are turning for you and me. Let's play. autumn dances in the sky. Now I've got you here by my side. When the wind turns cold, I'll be here to hold autumn colors. I hope that's given you some more handy hints on how to add some improvisation and some creative thinking into your music making. Now, some things that I've spoken about, let's go over them. The first thing is to make sure that you're playing in time with the beat and the rhythm. Now, this song had a jazz rhythm to it with those swung rhythms, so you need to be playing in that swing time. The next thing is knowing what notes to play. And sometimes starting with just 1 or 2 notes is a great way to just get into being comfortable playing around. Here we've set up the E minor pentatonic scale, so you might want to know really carefully what notes you can play on your instrument and then take off the ones like a xylophone that you don't need. That way it's safe to play without really making any mistakes. If you play improvisations on your own instrument, you might like to just play the scale a few times and make sure you know where those notes are. And this improvisation can happen throughout the song, but then you might want to go back to playing the melodies that we've learnt in the previous videos. So have a little play around with adding in those other riffs that we've done, but then busting out a little bit of an improvised solo to your arrangement. I hope that helps. My name is Jamie. Thanks for watching this Jam on Toast recipe. I hope to see you soon. See you later. Bye.
Jam on Toast.